Marijuana possession charges in Arizona can be accompanied by harsh penalties and remain on your record, affecting your reputation into the future. If you're facing these charges, it's crucial to have an experienced Phoenix marijuana lawyer by your side to help you combat them. Whether you have been charged or convicted of possessing more than an ounce of marijuana in Arizona, our attorneys at Jackson White can help. Our team has years of experience in cases like these, giving us the knowledge and resources to help you defeat or reduce the charges against you. Penalties for marijuana offenses in Arizona. Possession of marijuana in Arizona is addressed in ARS Section 13-3405 and ARS Section 36-2853. Knowingly possessing, using, producing, or transporting more than 1 ounce of marijuana or doing so for sale is illegal. Marijuana possession is illegal in Arizona unless you have a medical marijuana license or are above age 21 and possess no more than 1 ounce, of which not more than 5 grams can be in the form of marijuana concentrates. As of 2020, according to 36 Argentine pesos 2,852, simple possession is no longer a charge. An individual over 21 years of age can possess cannabis, a weed pen, wax pen, or another form of weed, as long as they possess no more than 1 ounce of marijuana, with no more than 5 grams in the form of marijuana concentrate. Individuals are also now allowed to cultivate up to 6 plants for private, personal use. Past this amount, ARS 133405 outlines harsh penalties for marijuana offenses in the state. However, the specific penalties will depend on the nature of your possession and other additional circumstances around it, like whether you were driving under the influence, smoking in public, or intending to sell. Potential penalties include possessing more than an ounce, but not more than 2.5 ounces of marijuana, is guilty of a petty offense. Possessing marijuana not for sale with a weight of more than 2.5 ounces but less than 2 pounds is a Class 6 felony. Possessing more than 2.5 ounces but less than 2 pounds of marijuana with intent to sell is a Class 4 felony. Producing more than 6 marijuana plants or up to 2 pounds is a Class 5 felony. Transporting more than 2.5 ounces but less than 2 pounds of marijuana is guilty of a Class 3 penalty. Some of the punishments associated with marijuana possession include a fine of at least $750, community service hours, court-ordered courses on the dangers of narcotics and other drugs, and, in extreme cases, up to 7 years of jail time. These penalties can become more severe depending on the circumstances of your case and the amount of marijuana you possess at the time of discovery. Because varying circumstances can affect your case, it's valuable to have a skilled marijuana attorney on your side. Contact our team at Jackson White today to learn more about how we can defend you. Why hire a marijuana possession attorney? If you are facing a charge for possessing more than 1 ounce of weed and walk into the courtroom by yourself, you are already at a disadvantage. The prosecution is prepared to build a case against you and pursue the harshest penalties. Without an understanding of the legal procedures, your rights, and potential defenses, you run the risk of receiving the harshest punishments under the law, which is why a defense attorney is so valuable. Our team at Jackson White Law can support you in marijuana possession cases. We'll help you understand your rights and build a defense to protect you against the harshest penalties under the law. In some of our recent possession cases, we have seen possession charges reduced to enrollment in a treatment program instead of legal consequences and even dismissed entirely. Our marijuana defense attorneys will work with you to prepare you for your court, build a defense, and seek reduced charges. Can I have my record expunged? Arizona law did not previously support expungement of drug convictions. Now, under ARS Section 36-2862, introduced by Proposition 207 in 2020, certain marijuana convictions can be expunged. Primarily, those who are eligible were convicted of possessing, consuming, or transporting 2.5 ounces or less of marijuana. If you have previously been convicted of any of these charges, Jackson White can help you understand whether you have the option to expunge your convictions and navigate the process for doing so. Call us now at 4804-674370 to schedule your free consultation to see if we can have your old marijuana charges expunged. Charges surrounding marijuana possession above the legal limit in Arizona can involve steep penalties, and it takes a strong defense to protect you against the harshest penalties. If you've been charged with any sort of marijuana crime in Phoenix or other areas in Arizona, a resourceful defense can work to get your charges reduced or even dismissed. At Jackson White Law, we have decades of experience with all types of drug crimes and have secured successful case results for thousands of marijuana possession clients. You can learn more about our Phoenix criminal defense attorneys and how we've helped thousands of drug defense clients over the years. We've helped first-time offenders and those with previous charges handle the complex legal process with ease. To see how we can help you next, contact us now. During a free consultation, we'll work to understand the circumstances surrounding your situation and build a defense strategy that brings the best possible outcome for you. Call the Jackson White Criminal Law Team at 480-4-674-370 to discuss your case today.